How to access your Instagram Reel Watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you access or view your Instagram Reel Watch history. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such official watch history options like on TikTok, but you can do a alternative method. For that, first open Instagram app. After you open Instagram with your account, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, at the top right, tap on three lines. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option your activity. And from here, tap on the option likes. From the section liked, you'll be able to find your every liked post or your reels from here. Like this is the alternative method from where you can access your liked or watched Instagram reel. Or you can also directly download your information including your all of the likes for the videos. If you find it from here, you can simply go to the option download your information. From there, you can also find all of your information from Instagram, including your Instagram Reel Watch history. And that's it. These are the methods you can try. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.